Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make silhouette effect photo portrait in Picsart. So if you guys want to create a stunning silhouette effects using Picsart, you can just follow this simple guide to turn any portrait into a dramatic silhouette with just a few edits. So the first step, you can just open your photo in Picsart. So launch the Picsart app and then tap on the plus button and choose your photo. So select the portrait that you want to turn into a silhouette. So choose image with the and for bad results. So in here, I'm going to just choose this photo. So after you choose the photo and open the page on Picsart, you need to remove the background. So you can just tap on tools, and in here, or you can just go to cut out, click on cut out, and here select the person. Okay, now after the person is selected, you can just tap on a check icon to remove the background. Now the background has been removed, and you can just turn the subject into a silhouette by tapping on the cutout layer, and then go to adjust. So here, go to tools and click on adjust. Now reduce the brightness to negative 100 to make the subject completely black, and increase the contrast to enhance the dark effect, just like this. Okay, now your silhouette is created. Now after that, you can just add a colorful background. You can tap on a check icon in here. Now you can just find the add a photo options and choose the background. I'm going to just search for the background. Say here, I'm going to just find beach photos. Let's use this one for example. Click on add. Now just place the background behind the silhouette layer. So in here, click on the layer options and choose or move the layer. So tap on it and then tap on move up. Now adjust or click on the photo, and make it full, just like this. Click on the photo again, and you can just adjust the opacity or blend or blur to blend the background smoothly. Okay, so this is done. If you want to, you can just add a final touches. You can just tap on effects, and you can apply glow, blur, or color filter to adjust to add some effects to the silhouette. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.